main riff for Poundshop Kardashians is played in standard tuning with no capo. The riff starts off on the G string. We'll play 17 and 19, followed by 20 twice on the B. We'll then run down 19, 17 on the G, grabbing 18 on the B. We're then going to play 18 on the B, 17 on the G, 17 on the D, 19 on the D, and 18 on the B twice. So slowly. Little run down. The next little run is 19 on the D, 17 on the D, 17 on the B. We then got a little bar, 17 on the B, G and D strings, running up B, G, D. So far. We're then going to make a little D shape and play this riff. 17 on the high E, 18 on the B, 17 on the G, back to 18 on the B. Then we've got 17, 18, 17 all on the B, 19, 17, 19 on the G, down to 19 on the D. So. We then play pretty much the same riff again, but we end it differently. So we start the same. And after the 19th fret on the G there, we're going to play that twice. Go down to 17 on the G, back to 19 on the G, finish off with 20 on the B, a little vibrato as well. Then got some other little lead riffs too. We've got 15th fret on the B, 17th fret on the G, 19th fret on the D. We're just going to pick G, B, G, D, repeating 4 times before we move on to this next shape, which is 10 on the G, 8 on the B and 10 on the high E. We're going to pick G, B, E, B, G, E, B, G, E, B, G, B, and that repeats again. Then we move the same shape up to the 17th fret on the G, 15 on the B, 17 on the high E. Exactly the same picking, just once through. We then finish off with this really high riff, 18, 20, 18 on the B, grabbing 22 on the high E. And then repeat 20, 18 on the B, 22 on the high E. So. The second time we go through the chorus, it's actually a double chorus, so when we get to the ending part of the riff, when we've played the double 19 on the G, we just go straight back into the beginning of the riff again. To finish the song, we use the main riff as normal. We're just going to finish with the 19th fret on the G string, played 3 times. So. The chord progression for this song is played in exactly the same way as it is for the live version, only tuned to D standard tuning. If you would like to learn the chord progression, I've got a video on that. You can find a link in the description. Check that out. Thanks for watching this one. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.